Hello everyone, you are welcome to More Precious Concepts. I am by name Simeon Enilumoka. We have to continue our training now. We are moving straight to second item on the course outline. If you check our course outline, you will see that we have domain and hosting. We have treated that one. The second one is Cpanel. Under Cpanel, we will be treating SSL. Then Webmail, also Autoresponder. Now we will be moving straight into the training. But if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. So whenever we drop a video like this, then you will be notified. How will you be notified? Only if you click the notification bell. After you subscribe, then click the notification bell. Let us move straight into the business of the day. I will be using Chrome for this training. I'll be using Chrome. So if you log in into your through your browser, you log into your Q server through your browser, Q server. Then you will have to use the login details that you used when you are creating when you are purchasing the domain name. Now I will have to log into that domain name that we purchased when we were treating domain and hosting, which happens to be Ife Global Services. Now that is the username, which is the email address, then the password. I will just have to click on login now. Login. Then it will take us to this place. As you can see, welcome back Ifeoluwa. That is the name of the owner of the site, and you can see here Ife Global Services. So the next thing for us to do, you can decide to, as you can see, check my cursor. You can decide to change this browser to desktop mode, or you can decide to use it like this, which is the mobile mode. Okay, let us go ahead with mobile mode. Now you will have to click your name, the domain name. When you click the domain name, it will take you to this place. In this area, you can see log into Cpanel, log into Webmail, then change password, then upgrade or downgrade, then request cancellation. Now the next thing for us to do, as in the first thing that we have to do, we will not follow that course outline. If you want to follow course outline, then we have to treat SSL first, but I would like us to log into our webmail first. Okay, let us log into our Cpanel. Yes, log into Cpanel. It depends on your network how fast this will load. Yes, it will take you to this area. This is your Cpanel. If you change this one now to desktop mode, then it will not display like this. This is your Cpanel. As you can see, I have encrypt SSL. I have encrypt SSL already, but I will still show you how to do that. I will still show you how to do that. Show you how to do that, because if you are yet to encrypt your SSL and you click this area, it will be telling you that the site is not secure. But you can see now connection is secured. So your client or your visitors, they will not be afraid. To log in to your site. So the first thing that we have to do is email. Click on your email account. Then you can create. As you can see, if you check this area, you can create as many as this 999 emails on this website. 999 emails. You can create 999 emails. So the first thing for us to do now is to create. Click on create. It will take you to this place. So you will have to enter your username here. I would like to create admin. admin. I would like to create admin at effectglobalservices.com. So you will have to choose your password, but you must make sure that your password is very strong, very, very strong. Make sure your password is strong. Yes, make sure your password is strong. Okay, yes, this one, as you can see, is not strong enough. It's not yet strong enough. Now the password is strong. We need 90% before this system will take your password, and this is just 88. So I will have to go for another password. I will have to go for another password. I will have to go for another password. Then this. Let us check. Yes, very strong password. Now we have 99%. So it will take this one. Then the next thing for you to do is to click create. Don't forget that password. Don't forget the password, because the password, you will have to use the password to be logging into your webmail. Now I saved the password already. Yes, so you must write your password somewhere so you will not forget. If you check this area now, you will see that we have 998 available. Now check this area, you will see the email that we created just now, admin@effectglobalservices.com.ng. So how to manage the webmail? You have to click here, then it will load. As you can see, now you will have to change this to unlimited. You will have to change it to unlimited MB. Change it to unlimited. Then scroll down. The next thing for us to do is to update email settings. You update your email settings. Yes. Now we are done with our email. The next thing for us to do is to go back to our Cpanel. You just have to click this Cpanel icon, then it will take you directly to your Cpanel. This is our Cpanel. Now the next thing that we have to do now is Autoresponder. Autoresponder means the message that people will receive immediately. They sent mail to you. You can, for example, if you send mail to your bank, there will be a message that you will receive straight, that we say something like, yes, we received your message. Our customer or our customer agents we get across to you shortly. So we have to do that also. That is what we call autoresponder. Now click on your autoresponder to take you to this area. What do you want to manage? Not all domain. You want to manage effectglobalservices.com.ng. So you have to click on global. So you have to click on that. That is what you want to do. So don't mind that system. The next thing for you to do now is to click on add autoresponder. So you will have to change this interval. You will have to change interval to 0. That 0 means the system will have to reply your mail. We have to reply to that mail being sent to you immediately. 0 hour immediately. It will have to respond to that immediately. immediately. So the next thing for you to do now is to, as you can see, effectglobalservices.com.ng. So you have to pick that mail. You have to pick that mail. So we have to add that autoresponder. Then it will take us to this area. 0 interval. Yes. Then the mail. Don't forget, we are using admin. So it will be admin@effectglobal.com.ng. Then you have to put your name here, which is Effect Global Services. Then the subject. Now you can pick from this area. I would like to know, is it possible? Thanks for reaching out. We will be using thanks for reaching out as the subject. Now you will just have to input the message here, the body, that the topic is the title is thanks for reaching out. Then you will have to put thanks. No, let's put we received your mail. We have received your mail. Our customer care executive we attend to you shortly. We attend to you shortly. Full stop. Then thanks. This is your autoresponder body, message body. Then you will have to click create. Yes, you successfully created the admin@effectglobal.com.ng's autoresponder. So anytime anyone send message to admin@effectglobalservices.com.ng, this system will automatically respond to the mail. And what will the person see? The person will see this text that you just input now. The next thing for us to do now is to go back to our cPanel, where we will have to encrypt activate our security. Yes, activate our security. Now you will have to go to security section. Then you will click on let's encrypt SSL. Let's encrypt SSL. Now, I told you I have encrypt this SSL on this domain already. But in case if you are here to do your own, now the next thing for you to do is to just click that area. Then you will have to go to this area. As you can see, issue. So you have to click issue. When you click issue, then it will take you to this area. Then you will click issue again. Click issue up there, come to this area, then click issue again. So your site will be secured. Now we have to go back to our cPanel. Don't forget, if you want to encrypt your SSL, you have to go to security section. Click on encrypt. Let's encrypt SSL. Click on that. Click on issue. Then go downward. Click on issue again, and it will be set up for you. So we have to go back to our cPanel again. Yes, we are done now with email. We are done with autoresponder. Then you can as well let us work on forwarders. See, forwarder means if maybe someone sent message to you to admin@gmail@effectglobal.com, but you don't normally open your webmail, you don't normally open that, maybe you don't normally open that, then you will have to create this forwarder. If you create this forwarder, then any message they send to that admin at effectglobal.com.ng, it will also be forwarded to the mail that you put put here. Now let us click on add forwarder. Add forwarder. Now you will have to input that admin at effectglobal.com.ng. So you will now have to input the mail that you want all the messages they sent that you want this system to forward it to. You will have to input it there. Then the next thing for you to do is to click add forwarder. So any message they send to admin at effectglobalservices.com.ng will be forwarded to the mail that I just input now. That will be the end of this session. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification button. Bye.